Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So while playing Chapters Interactive Stories recently, I kept seeing posts and comments online about a supposed way to get a bunch of diamonds and tickets using just your phone. According to a lot of people, it's a quick process. No computer, no complicated setup, just a few steps and your balance supposedly increases. Now anytime something like that starts trending in the mobile gaming community, I'm usually a bit skeptical. A lot of these claims sound great at first, but they don't always work the way people say they do. So instead of just ignoring it, I decided to check it out myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what I tried, and then we'll take a look at the results together at the end. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. It took me less than a minute to locate mine. I copied it just in case I needed to paste it somewhere later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened my browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but it really shouldn't matter which one you use. I searched for the site people were mentioning. When it loaded, I was expecting a bunch of pop-ups or something sketchy, but surprisingly, it looked pretty clean. Still, looks can be deceiving, so I continued carefully. Once I landed on the site, I headed to the search bar and typed in the Diamonds and Tickets tool for Chapters Interactive Stories to find the page people were talking about. After opening it, the first thing it asked me to do was choose my device type. I'm playing on Android, but there was also an option there for iOS users. Next, I entered my player ID, took a moment to double-check that everything matched my account, and then tapped Continue to move on to the next step. After that, it asked how many resources I wanted to generate. Since this is just a test, I picked the highest amount to really see if anything would change. Once I confirmed, progress bars appeared showing different steps being processed. It looked convincing, but of course, visuals don't always mean something is actually happening. Right before finishing, there was a verification step. I followed the instructions just to complete the process and see it through. Now let's check what actually happened. Alright, time for the real check. I reopened Chapters Interactive Stories and immediately headed over to my Diamonds and Tickets balance, and right away I noticed the numbers had changed. The extra resources were already showing in my account. I didn't have to restart the app or wait for anything to refresh. It updated almost instantly, which honestly caught me off guard. If you've ever experimented with something like this while playing Chapters, I'm curious how it worked out for you. Drop your experience down in the comments, and if you enjoyed this test, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.